Hello everyone. My name is FG. Welcome to my channel FG Facts Describer. I hope you all will fine. So in this video I will tell you 10 secret and most rare facts about Coca-Cola Company. The Coca-Cola Company is one of the most well-known and influential beverage companies in the world. Here are some rare and informative facts about the company. Fact number 1. Origins in a pharmacy. Coca-Cola was created by John Pemberton, a pharmacist, in 1886. It was initially marketed as a patent medicine to cure various ailments. Fact number 2. Secret formula. The exact formula for Coca-Cola is a closely guarded secret and is known to only a few people at any given time. It is stored in a vault at the World of Coca-Cola Museum in Atlanta. Fact number 3. Historical glass bottles. The iconic contour bottle design for Coca-Cola was introduced in 1916 and has become a symbol of the brand. It was created to make the bottle distinguishable in the dark and to withstand pressure. Fact number 4. Coca-Cola and Santa Claus. Coca-Cola played a significant role in shaping the modern image of Santa Claus. The company's holiday ads featuring a plump, jolly Santa helped establish the red-suited, white-bearded character we know today. Fact number 5. Coca-Cola's global reach. Coca-Cola products are consumed at a rate of over 1.9 billion servings per day in more than 200 countries. It's one of the most recognized brands globally. Fact number 6. Variety of brands. The Coca-Cola Company owns a wide array of beverage brands, including Diet Coke, Fanta, Sprite, and many others. It's not limited to just Coca-Cola. Fact number 7. War and Peace. Coca-Cola was consumed by both the Allied and Axis forces during World War II. The company aimed to ensure that soldiers could enjoy a Coca-Cola wherever they were stationed. Fact number 8. The New Coke fiasco. In 1985, Coca-Cola tried to reformulate its classic drink with New Coke. The public backlash was so intense that the original formula was quickly reintroduced as Coca-Cola Classic. Fact number 9. Beverage innovations. Coca-Cola has expanded its product line to include non-carbonated beverages, such as juice, water, tea, and coffee, through acquisitions and brand development. Fact number 10. Community involvement. The Coca-Cola Company is involved in various philanthropic activities. The Coca-Cola Foundation supports education, community development, and disaster relief efforts around the world. Coca-Cola has a rich history and a significant impact on popular culture and advertising. It's not just a beverage but a global brand that has left a lasting mark on the world. Thank you so much for watching my video, and if you want you can also like my videos and subscribe my channel. Trust me, it's 100% free to like and subscribe.